Do you want to bring your stories to life with beautiful animations while maintaining character consistency? Head over to MagicLight AI, link in the description, and sign up for free. Once inside, go to the Story to Video section and make sure your story is ready. To guide you, I've included an example of what a story script might look like. In the description, paste your prompt into the Smart Script section, then choose your aspect ratio. I used landscape. You can also select your language and preferred visual style. I picked clay style for my creation. Next, the system automatically detects the characters in your story. You can select characters from the library, create new ones, or even upload your own. For my demo, I chose characters that weren't originally in my story, but they worked surprisingly well. Move on to the storyboard section, where multiple scenes are generated based on your script. From here, you can add sound effects and special effects, or leave them off, and even explore options for voiceovers and voice cloning. In the animation stage, select your preferred animation model and proceed. Then, finalize your video by setting subtitles, cover design, and background music. Even on the free plan, the results are impressive. You can still create professional, eye-catching story animations. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Stay tuned, as I'll be sharing more amazing videos soon.